Labour crisis, fatigue, repetitive strain injury, unmotivated employees, social distancing, bottlenecks, human error, inflexible tooling, safety concerns. These are just a few of the challenges facing manufacturing facilities today. Repetitive tasks such as palletising present not only challenges and severe health risks to your employees, but also to your whole operation. The solution is clear: automation, which will not only alleviate labour shortages, boost production output, but also increase profits. But people are often deterred by the associated high costs and lack of flexibility. Solent Automation found its niche to tackle these common problems plaguing the manufacturing industry, whilst making automation affordable and accessible. Whilst particularly well suited for SMEs within the FMCG industry, our solutions are suitable for most manufacturers. We specialise in packing, case erecting and palletising solutions. All of our solutions are made with your convenience in mind. They are movable with a forklift, require only a small space, are easy to operate, plug and play, and offer the flexibility of frequent product type changeovers. This convenience does not come at the cost of your safety. Our solutions are made to the highest safety standards, ensuring optimal conditions throughout your operation. You'll experience increased production with fast changeovers in less than 2 minutes, low maintenance costs, and a return on investment within 3 years. Our team will provide you with the required on-site training. You'll also benefit from remote support and an extended warranty. Delivery is within 12 weeks of order. In order to make our solutions not only affordable but also accessible to our customers, we have rent-to-buy and asset finance options available through our partners. Automation is fun. Solent Automation and Robotics, democratizing robotic technology.